Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 25th, 2024, and this is the first cuttings that we're going to be taking out of this greenhouse here for our leafy green crop. Now those back there were the miniature ones. They bolted very quickly, so probably will not be growing that variety again. So those are technically supposed to be harvested when they're really small, and that's why they called them bite size. But it was the first year I ever grew this variety, so I wasn't sure about how it was going to do, or when to actually harvest it, or what it was going to do. I don't recommend that one for the greenhouse. And you can see this bok choy here is trying to bolt. So I think it's just getting too warm in this greenhouse here for the bok choys. And we have our sticky traps up because of the white flies. You can see, let me zoom in here, how many white flies it caught. I'll have links down in the description for the sticky traps that we use. Now, because there's not too much in this greenhouse right now, there's not too many pests, so we're using the sticky traps right now, and might see about some ladybugs later on if necessary, or the aphid lions again. So this back here is the purple lady bok choy, and it has beautiful purple leaves to it. I really like the flavor of that one. It went over to this other lettuce back here. There it went. So this is what we got off, and we're going to take this in and get it washed off under cold water, and we're going to use the salad spinner then to dry it. But you only want to wash what you're going to eat, because it will go bad very quickly if you wash too much of it at one time. So this is what we have left here, and we're going to need to get some sea magic out here and get this stuff fed more. And this has only been in the ground for about 3 weeks now. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all times I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.